So we've now completed our bird control and bird proofing measure against pigeons that were nesting under this balcony. We're over in Horsforth, Leeds area, Yorkshire. Installation of stainless steel square welded mesh been drilled into the foundations and the upper decking. Absolutely solid, no breaches to any pigeons or any birds. Installation of bird spikes carried out using high grade silicon. That's on the air conditioning unit. Both sides of the girders prevent any nesting or roosting from pigeons. Pigeons dispatched that were on site. All guano removed, nesting material removed, eggs removed, biocidal spray treatment carried out. A solid proofing measure. 𝘾𝙤𝙧𝙙𝙀 Environmental Services Limited, experts in bird control and bird proofing solutions.